package, and it is from Scentbird. But I really wanted to update my scents. I only have this one perfume. I have 3 scents that are scheduled to come to me in the next 3 months. This is the fragrance Smith Apple and Brisk Cedar fading into calm bluebell flowers, exotic bamboo, and the classic floral. Is that really gonna smell good? Well, we're gonna find out.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Got a package, and it is from Scentbird. Unfortunately, this video is not sponsored by Scentbird, but hopefully one day, you know, I'm gonna put it out there. I have been telling you guys in a few videos now, I think I told you guys in my last vlog, that I really wanted to update my scents. I only have this one perfume right now, and I guess the universe, God was hearing me because, or my phone was listening. Scentbird popped up on my feed, and I decided, I've seen Scentbird a few times over the years. I've always tried to attempt to subscribe, but I never actually did. But this time I took a leap of faith and I jumped in. They did have a little sale going on, so I took advantage of that. And I got my first scent. So I already have 3 months of scents that are scheduled to come to me. So this month I did, hold on. I have rice on the stove. Gotta make sure it's not burning, hold on. Yeah, so I have 3 scents that are scheduled to come to me in the next 3 months. So I have the one that I have today. I have one next month, which I got for my man. So he's gonna get a scent. And then the next month I have another scent coming. And I think the next month I have another scent coming. And I think you can keep scheduling it as you go. But I stopped right there because we don't know how long I'm gonna keep this thing, you know. So far I have about 4 months of scheduled fragrances. First one I got was Dolce and Gabbana. Yes, your girl went and got something high-end. That was my first purchase, and honestly, they were pretty quick. I think I ordered it on Thursday night, and today is Monday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 days it took to come to me. And it doesn't say where it's coming from. It only just shows where it's sent to. Oh, well, that is why. Scentbird is in Mississauga? I didn't know it was a Canadian location. This is the fragrance in this little pouch. I'll get to that in a minute. Let's see what they sent us. So Dolce and Gabbana Light Blue is what it's called. Light Blue excites your senses with sheer Granny Smith Apple and Brisk Cedar fading into calm bluebell flowers, exotic bamboo, and the classic floral embrace of rose and jasmine. I forget sometimes how much work goes into creating a scent. There's 5 scents in this: lemon, apple, cedar, bamboo, and musk. Now, just looking at that, I'm thinking to myself, is that really gonna smell good? Well, we're gonna find out. It does come in this applicator. I believe you can even get a subscription on these as well, so you can get one every month too. But I was like, why do I need to replace it every month? I'm fine with the one that you send it in. This is what it comes in. I'm not sure how to open it. Right now it's open and locked open. So let's see what happens when you open it. I know it can open because it's showing. Oh, there we go. So this is the size of it. Now, I would love to see how long these last. How do you use the scent now? Oh, that is, it's right there. I am new, yes. Yes, I am new. Let's smell it. I'm gonna put too much because I'm going to bed. No. Okay, so it's not only just to lock it, but it's also to lock it from spraying. Okay, so now it's unlocked. So now I can spray it and I can open it. So let's. That's, I can definitely smell the lemon. And the musk and the cedar, I think. I can smell it. Interesting. I could definitely smell it. I'd have to, let me put it on. I have to, let's see. Let's get the full. It wasn't what I was expecting. Like, it smells pretty good, but definitely not what I was looking for. I was looking for more of a sweet smell, because this one is like of a sweet smell. And don't get me wrong, it smells good. Like, what I'm gonna use a lot of these for, especially if I get really good ones that I really like, those will be like for going out, and there's gonna be some for everyday use. And this is something I'd probably wear to like work or something. Not necessarily if I'm going out on a date or, you know, something formal or anything like that. That's definitely for an everyday, going to the gym. It's very light, and it is called light blue. So it's very light. It's something I could wear to work. It won't irritate anybody's senses. And I could wear it to the gym. Yeah, so it smells okay for that, but not what I was expecting. I don't remember what my next purchase will be. I wish I could. I can't wait to get another. My phone is everything. My phone is my everything. I use it for everything. And right now I'm using it to record, so I can't search anything right now. Number 2 is babes, so I have to wait until number 3. I could probably order something in the meantime, I would assume. It would just probably cost me more, but I think I'm willing to do that for the cause of smelling good. For the time being, I'm going to leave this one. Too bad it does not come with the label of the scent. Like, I would have to, I guess, open it to, it's a little hard to open though. Unless I'm doing it wrong. Here we go. Yeah, so it does come, it does show on here, Dolce and Gabbana light blue, but I wish it showed on the outer part so you could see it. I wonder if they have like a stand for these things. So, you know, you're able to just put them in, and then you take the one that you want, put it in, and travel and go. I wonder. I'm gonna look, because I would purchase one. That way I can see what I'm taking out. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look, see if they have one. Or if I can find something similar to it where I can put my perfumes in there. That way I can see what I'm picking up. Put it in my travel. And go. Not sponsored, but maybe one day.